Music, movies, TV shows, concerts. Do you love entertainment? Today we learn how to talk about it all in English. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Entertainment vocabulary helps you connect with people. You can talk about what you enjoy. Let's start with music. Section 1, Music Vocabulary. A singer, a musician, a band, an album, a collection of songs, a track or a song, a concert or a gig, a live music event. A playlist, a list of songs you choose. Music genres, pop, rock, jazz, classical, hip-hop. How to use them. I love jazz. She listens to pop music. What kind of music do you like? A great conversation starter. Section 2, Movies and TV. A film or a movie, a TV series or a show, an episode, one part of a series, a trailer, a short preview, a director, person who makes the film, an actor or an actress. Movie genres, a comedy, funny, a thriller, exciting, tense, a horror film, scary, a documentary, real life, a romance about love, an action film, lots of fights. What is your favorite film? Answer this question. Section 3, Talking about what you enjoy. Use these phrases in conversations. I really enjoy, I'm a huge fan of. Have you seen? Asking about a film or show. Have you heard? Asking about a song. I'd recommend. Suggesting something to watch or listen to. It's amazing. It's brilliant. It's not really my thing. Now you can have a real conversation about entertainment in English. Recap: music, singer, album, concert, playlist. Genres: pop, rock, jazz, hip-hop. Movies and TV, film, series, episode, actor, director. Genres: comedy, thriller, documentary. Phrases: I love, have you seen? Your challenge: recommend a film or song in the comments. Use I'd recommend. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.